and I posted a video on this honey blonde thin part wig by Innovative Weaves and Wigs, and it was in its natural state with absolutely no heat to it, just wash, air dry. I put it on and showed you, and I just could not wait to apply some heat to it. So in this video, that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you the unit prior, and then I am going to use my 1.5 inch curling barrel. I got this one from Walmart. I think it was like $49, but it is a cheat iron and it gets all the way to 410 degrees. And I will tell you, when it comes to working with YAKI or kinky hair, you kind of need a little bit more heat because the curls are a little bit more reluctant to stay. So that's what we're gonna do in this video. But before I do that, I do want to take a second and remind you guys that this is a thin part wig. Thin part means that you're going to leave out a very thin amount of your hair in order to blend it with your wig. And so this is what I'm showing you guys right here. And then on the top, what you're going to do is you're just going to take it, and then you are going to make sure your hair is nice and flat, whatever that looks like for you. And then you will clip in your wig, snap it. Make sure it's secure, but it shouldn't hurt. That's one thing I will tell you. It's not supposed to hurt when you clip it in. So if it does, you gotta kind of readjust it. So that's what it feels like there. And from there, you take that nice little thin leave out and you comb it over and blend it into your unit. When you have a thin amount of leave out, another benefit is that when you do have your hair that is so blonde and full of beautiful color, and you have that color starting at your root, it doesn't even matter that you have really dark hair because just that thin leave out blends so wonderfully. So that's what it looks like. So what we're gonna do is curl this wig and then we'll go from there. Now off camera, guys, I did spray a heat protectant, and you just use the one that you like. I don't have a preference just yet, but I'll keep you guys updated on that. I just took my 1.5 inch curling barrel and I curled away from my face. This is important because if you curl towards your face, trust me, it goes real naturally, real fast. Just curl your hair and let it be, and we'll rock it from there. All right, guys, once you're finished curling, you want to let your curls completely cool off, and then just take your fingers and begin to pull it through the hair like this to break up the monotony of those curls. And you just let it lay and let it look like you were just walking like Beyonce, about to break it down. Ooh, ooh. So guys, before I go, what I want to do is kind of show you a screen recording of how you can find this wig on innovativeweavesandwigs.com. If you're anything like me, you're scrolling and looking for a picture. You're not going to find it that way. So just stay tuned. I'll show you how to order it, and make sure if you do, save yourself some money with discount code SOWIGOUT and take yourself out to lunch. If you have any questions, drop them down below because I'm here for you. Ooh. Ooh. Now to get to your honey blonde thin part wig, you're going to go to innovativeweavesandwigs.com, and once you get there, you're going to see all of the beautiful items that are offered to you. But what we're looking for is shop thin part wigs. Once you click there, again, you're going to see several different options that Innovative Weaves and Wigs has for you. But what you're looking for is called the Kelsey Medium YAKI Coarse Thin Part Wig. Click shop now, and from there we're going to scroll down yet again. You'll notice that the picture is dark hair, but we're looking for the honey blonde. To get that, we're going to click on either the 9 AAA or the 10 AAA, which lasts a lot longer. And from there, I'm going to click the 250%, which is the full volume. It is 18 inches, and then you'll see that you have the option of getting it in honey blonde. Once you click all of those, including the size you want, you definitely want to add the wig clips, and then you click add to cart and your shopping is done.